Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Workspace for business email deliverability. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Google Workspace for optimal business email deliverability, start by signing into your Google Admin Console. Navigate to the Apps section on the main dashboard. Select Google Workspace from the list of applications. Click on Gmail to access the Gmail settings. Next, go to the Authenticate Email section. Here, you will set up SPF, DKIM, and MARC. For SPF, click on Set up SPF and check your domain's existing DNS records. If you don't have an SPF record, create one that allows Google to send emails on your behalf. Move on to configuring DKIM by selecting Generate New Record. Choose the domain you want to authenticate. Click on Generate to create the DKIM key. Copy the generated TXT record. Now, log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Paste the KIM TXT record into your DNS settings. Save the changes and return to the Google Admin Console. Click on Start Authentication to enable DKIM. Next, set up MARC by creating a TXT record in your DNS. Use the format _dmarc.yourdomain.com for the hostname. Specify the policy you want, such as none, quarantine, or reject. Set the email address for receiving reports. After entering the necessary details, save the DMARC record. Now, test your email deliverability using online tools. Send a test email to check the headers for SPF, DKIM, and MARC alignment. Monitor your email performance regularly in the Google Admin Console. Address any potential issues promptly to maintain deliverability. Make sure to educate your team on best email practices. Lastly, keep your domain and email settings updated regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.